Hello everyone. The experiment we are doing today is wear resistance test of leather. We use 10% sodium hydroxide and 90% distilled water to blend a solution with a ratio of 9:1. Then stir it evenly. Then the distilled water is heated in the instrument. This is a thermometer, real-time monitoring of water temperature. And now close the door. The temperature can be set on this display. It's heated to 70 degrees Celsius. That's 180 minutes of one experiment. You can see the solution is slowly heating up. After heating, we put this leather into a solution to test if the leather will peel and burst.